ingredients you will need. Lettuce and tomato, very lean deli roast beef, and I got a multi-grain fajita wrap. Also, 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm using fat-free because the flavor of the cranberry horseradish, your last ingredients, is robust enough that's all you need to disguise the fat-free taste. So I'm just going to pour this in. You use 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon to 8 ounces of cream cheese. You mash it up. And while I'm doing this, I'll talk to you. You can also use lean deli with this or with another wild tree spread called red bell pepper and garlic. And those both are excellent little spreads that you can make in less than a minute. That's it with the spread. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to spread it onto our fajita shell. And once I get this all spread, then I'm going to add the roast beef. That's what I'm using today. Turkey's also excellent. Turkey and cranberry, think of the holidays. And then the lettuce and tomato. And then I'm going to roll it. Now, for a wrap, I'm just going to cut it in half. And there you are. You've got your sandwich. Now, if I want to do this and make a little appetizer with the holidays coming, I think this is an absolutely excellent appetizer. And I've done these for the past 2 years. I've been with Wild Tree for almost 3 years. And so I've used this when I entertain. And again, my roast beef, I'm going to leave the lettuce and tomato out this time and just roll this into a real tight little pinwheel. And then I'm going to cut these. No, it's not working. Into little pinwheels, bite-sized hors d'oeuvres. You can set this on a nice little plate. And have appetizers in minutes. And now for lunch. Good.